Happy Aloha Tuesday, Brother D, and I am here, kicking back, making the invitation for tonight over at Duke's Beach House. We'll be there from 6 to 8:30 with Eddie Sabala and Brian Haya. Check us out. It'll be a great time. Also coming up, we got going on to Kona at the end of the month for the 30th. We're going to be headed over there for the block party with Anden. The whole band will be there. Come down. It'll be a great time. Last year was a blast. Make your way to Kona for Halloween Paina. And then today I was thinking Bob Marley all the way. Yeah, most of the time it's Bob Marley tunes. Why not? Why not? Either that or Dylan. Yeah, Bob Dylan or Lennon. But anyway, some Bob Marley today. This is a cool jam. I love this one. Buffalo soldier, dreadlock Rasta. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me, well, who the hell I think I am? I'm just a buffalo soldier, dreadlock Rasta, driven to the mainland from the heart of the Caribbean. I sing it when I analyze the stench to make it makes hell a lot of sense. How the dreadlock Rasta, yeah, could be a buffalo soldier. See, he was taken from Africa and brought to America, fighting in the rival, fighting for survival. What about this one? Checking the real situation. Nation pop against a nation. Where did it all begin? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where will it take? Yeah. And it seems like total destruction is the only solution. There ain't no use. Nobody can stop us now. Ain't no use. Nobody can stop us now. Tonight, Duke's Beach House, Ka'anapali. Brother Damien, Eddie Sabala will be there as well. Hope you decide to join us and have a cocktail or two. Watch the sunset. Enjoy some music. Aloha, ahuyo.